Cool. I'll try to be really, really quick. This is a short talk about optimism and confidence. Optimism and confidence. That's it. Well, here's a warning. I'm going to talk about alpha software. This won't work in your computer. With 6.2 is snapshot nightly TarBC2. It's password protected. You can't see download it. So this is Ruby code. Yeah, so this gets a bunch of people, and then a person, and then it gets a model of their car. That sounds good, no? Let's ship it? Well, not really. You know that there's loads of problems with this code. But let's think about the type of this method. What's the type of this method or function? Give me the type. It's an object. No, let's see. So, this method here returns a hash of strings to a person. Yeah? Cool. Well, not really. Maybe it raises an exception because it goes to a database and everything can happen there. So, yeah. Okay, what about this? This one is a bit easy. You can use fetch and defaults and all this stuff. I know, whatever. So let's just say that it can return it. And this is kind of the same. Either you get a model or you nail it if you did some checks. So, you know, this is more complex than it. It looked simpler here, but it's actually not. The type of this is a mess. It's not simple. You just don't get a symbol. You can get anything else. So this is what I mean by optimism. I think we Ruby programmers are optimists and just write code and ship it, and it works because we have tests. Yay! But no, things break. You can't go by this thing in programming. I do it all the time, and it doesn't work. So I guess. I guess we can do this. Yeah. Well, let's think about it a bit differently. So this is a maybe. A maybe just wraps a value, and it could either be some value or none. So you can pass it objects, and if it's nil, you get a none. Otherwise, you get a sum. And you can do things with this. You can call methods on it using fmap. And then either you get the method applied to the value and wrapped again, or not. So what's that for? Think about another case where you want to reach into a hash, like deeply into a hash, and many things could fail. You could do the same with bind. So you get a hash, but you don't know if it's there or not. Then you ask for foo, which could be also not there, and then you upcase whatever is there. So let's try and apply this to this code. Try is like a maybe, but it's for functions that methods that could return raise exceptions. So just ignore that bit. But yeah, so you get that, and inside the block is where it says bind people is actually a hash. You know that it's a hash, and then you can confidently just ask for John. But you know that John might not be there. But inside that other block, John is there. And you can call its age, it exists. But maybe he doesn't have a car. So you again do maybe, and then in that other block, you get the model. So you, at each step, you're confident that everything is there. And you either get a symbol or nothing. This is what I mean by confidence, as opposed to optimism in programming. And you know, it also communicates better. A developer comes here and says, oh, people by name may raise an exception. Shit. Okay. Oh, this people John, maybe John is not there. Oh, maybe John doesn't have a car. Blah, blah, blah. So, okay, they can see everything in the code and it communicates better. So it's not only about confidence, but also about communication. But the Ruby way, this is not supposed to, what? No, we embrace nil, we like nil. Ruby is much more than the Ruby way. Ruby is what you make of it. Thank you.